Want to see what everyone's obsessing over in the kitchen right now? These viral Amazon gadgets are taking cooking, cleaning, and organizing to a whole new level. From genius tools that save time to space savers you didn't know you needed, these picks are pure kitchen magic. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Packing a fresh salad has never been this easy. This clever salad pod keeps every layer crisp and perfectly separated until you're ready to eat. The leak-proof dressing capsule lets you shake and mix without a single mess. When it's time for lunch, just open the hatch and it transforms into a ready-to-use salad bowl. It's durable, reusable, and keeps your greens tasting garden fresh wherever you go. Say goodbye to messy pepper prep. This clever corer makes removing seeds fast, clean, and effortless. Just twist, lift, and you're done. No more splattering juice or sticky fingers. It comes with 2 sizes. Perfect for bell peppers, jalapenos, and even cucumbers or apples. With its comfy non-slip handle and easy-to-clean design, you'll be slicing, stuffing, and grilling in record time. Pizza night just got way more fun. This rotating oven cooks your pizza evenly from every angle. No flipping, no hot spots. You can control the top and bottom heat separately for that perfect balance of crispy crust and melty cheese. When it's done, the timer shuts it off automatically, so nothing ever burns. Plus, it uses way less energy than a regular oven and cleans up in seconds. Cleaning small spaces just got way easier. This mini foldable mop tackles spills and dust on any surface, floors, countertops, mirrors, you name it. The sponge head soaks up messes instantly, and the one-touch squeeze keeps your hands dry and drip-free. It folds flat for easy storage and is light enough to use anywhere. Perfect for quick cleanups in kitchens, bathrooms, or even your car. Fresh juice on the go? Yes, please. This clever screw-top lemon squeezer makes juicing effortless anywhere. Just twist, press, and pour. The built-in filter keeps seeds and pulp out, giving you smooth, refreshing juice every time. It's compact, lightweight, and perfect for picnics, BBQs, or cocktails at home. Easy to clean and made from food-safe materials, it's a simple way to enjoy fresh flavor wherever you are. Tired of cleaning splatters every time you reheat food? This microwave cover keeps your oven spotless while locking in moisture for tastier, evenly heated meals. Just add a little water to the built-in reservoir, and it turns into a mini steamer that keeps food soft and juicy. The sturdy handle stays cool to the touch, and it fits most plates and bowls. Simple, safe, and surprisingly smart for everyday cooking. No spoon? No problem. This self-stirring mug mixes your coffee, milk, or protein shake with just one button. The built-in motor spins fast to blend everything smoothly. No clumps, no effort. Its glass body handles both hot and cold drinks like a champ, and the spill-proof lid keeps it travel-ready. Perfect for busy mornings, long work days, or anyone who loves their drink perfectly mixed every time. Here's a gadget that turns an ordinary banana into a fun-filled snack. It cores the banana while it's still in the peel. No mess, no fuss. Then you can fill it with peanut butter, chocolate, or anything you love. It's perfect for making quick, healthy treats for kids or creative desserts for yourself. Easy to clean and surprisingly satisfying to use, it's pure snack time magic. Keeping your spices fresh and organized just got smarter. These glass seasoning jars come with a retractable spoon built right into the lid, so you can scoop out just the right amount every time. The airtight seal locks in flavor and keeps moisture out. They're easy to refill, simple to clean, and look great on any kitchen counter. Sleek, practical, and perfect for salt, sugar, or coffee lovers alike. Bring the bar home with this smart cocktail machine that mixes your favorite drinks at the touch of a button. Just pop in a capsule, choose your strength, and it blends the perfect cocktail in seconds. No measuring, no mess, just pure convenience. The self-cleaning design keeps every drink fresh and consistent. Whether it's a margarita night or an old-fashioned moment, you'll feel like your own personal bartender. If you've ever burned your toast because you couldn't see it, this clever toaster fixes that problem. It's designed with a clear viewing window, so you can watch your bread turn golden just the way you like it. With multiple browning levels, one-touch settings, and a slide-out crumb tray, cleanup is a breeze. Sleek, compact, and perfect for mornings when precision actually matters. If you're short on space but still want spotless dishes, this compact countertop dishwasher is a total game changer. It doesn't need any plumbing setup, just fill the built-in tank and choose from 6 cleaning modes, including quick wash and baby care. It even dries your dishes automatically. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or RV life, this little machine brings full-size convenience to small kitchens. Here's a fun twist on breakfast prep. This microwave bacon hanger lets you cook crispy bacon without the greasy mess. Just hang the strips, pop it in the microwave, and watch as the fat drips away for perfectly cooked, less greasy bacon. Cleanup's a breeze, and it saves so much time compared to stovetop frying. Ideal for quick breakfasts or weekend brunches. Cracking eggs just got way easier. This handy little gadget peels hard-boiled eggs in seconds. No mess, no frustration. Just place your egg inside, press down, and watch the shell slip right off. It uses gentle air pressure to separate the shell cleanly, leaving your egg perfectly smooth and ready to serve. Great for making egg salads, deviled eggs, or a quick protein snack anytime. If you love that soft, crunchy ice from your favorite drink spot, now you can have it at home. This smart nugget ice maker delivers chewable, flavor-holding ice in minutes. It connects to Wi-Fi, so you can schedule fresh ice right from your phone or even use voice control. The built-in water tank means no extra hookups needed. Sleek, stainless, and fast. Your countertop just got an upgrade. Crumbs and spills slipping between your stove and counter? Not anymore. These stainless steel gap covers seal that annoying space so nothing falls through. They're heat-resistant, rust-proof, and adjust to fit perfectly no matter your setup. Just slide them in, and your kitchen instantly looks cleaner and more polished. When it's time to tidy up, simply pull them out, wipe them down, and you're done. Tiny hands love to explore, but your stove knobs aren't the place for curiosity. These clear safety covers snap right over your existing knobs to keep kids from accidentally turning them on. They're heat-resistant, durable, and easy for adults to open when it's time to cook. The transparent design lets you see everything clearly without removing them. Simple, smart protection for peace of mind in your kitchen. There's something magical about watching tea brew, and this enchanted glass teapot makes it even better. With a built-in strainer and one-touch filter system, you can steep loose leaves, herbs, or flowers with ease. The heat-resistant glass keeps your hands safe while showing off the beautiful color of your tea. It's elegant, mystical, and perfect for anyone who loves a cozy, spellbinding tea ritual. Sticky spoons are a thing of the past. This elegant honey dispenser gives you the perfect drizzle with zero mess. Just press the handle, and your honey flows smoothly right where you want it. No drips, no cleanup. Its honeycomb glass design looks beautiful on any table, and the airtight stopper keeps everything fresh. Perfect for honey, syrup, or even chocolate sauce, its sweetness made simple. Turn that empty corner into something both beautiful and useful. This bamboo bread box keeps your loaves fresh while adding warm farmhouse charm to your kitchen. The two-tier design gives you extra space for fruit, snacks, or even coffee essentials. Its clear window lets you see what's inside, and the magnetic door keeps everything sealed. Stylish, sturdy, and smart, it's organization that actually looks good. Breakfast prep just got a serious upgrade. This stainless steel egg slicer cuts your hard-boiled eggs into perfect slices, wedges, or cubes in seconds. No slipping, no mess, just even pieces every time. It's strong enough for mushrooms, strawberries, or cherry tomatoes too. Easy to use, dishwasher safe, and built to last. It's the little kitchen tool that makes every meal look effortlessly professional. Your perfect cup starts here. This electric kettle heats water fast and lets you choose from 6 preset temperatures for every type of tea or coffee. The 360-degree swivel base makes it easy to pour from any angle, and the Stay Cool handle keeps your hands safe. It even has a keep warm feature and automatic shutoff for peace of mind. Sleek, smart, and ready when you are. Take your frying game to the next level with this Japanese-style stainless steel fryer pot. It keeps oil temperature steady for crisp, golden results every time. The built-in thermometer takes out the guesswork, while the clever lid doubles as a draining rack to let excess oil drip back in. Easy to clean, splash-resistant, and compatible with any cooktop, this pot makes deep frying simple and mess-free. Every kitchen deserves a knife set that feels professional and performs flawlessly. This 15-piece German stainless steel collection combines sharp precision with lasting strength, all stored in a walnut-stained wood block that looks incredible on any countertop. Each blade is perfectly balanced for comfort, and the built-in sharpener keeps them razor-sharp with one quick swipe. Tired of soaking your sleeves every time you do the dishes? This upgraded silicone splash guard is a total game changer. It's ultra wide to cover even large sinks, and it grips firmly without suction cups, no slipping or residue left behind. The soft silicone wipes clean in seconds and looks sleek on your counter. It keeps your workspace dry, tidy, and effortlessly stylish. If you dread chopping garlic, this little gadget is about to change your life. Just pop a clove inside, roll it back and forth, and you've got perfectly minced garlic in seconds, without the sticky fingers or lingering smell. It's compact, dishwasher safe, and surprisingly fun to use. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, this tool makes prep faster and cleaner. If you're serious about your morning brew, this electric gooseneck kettle brings cafe-level precision right to your counter. It heats fast, lets you control the exact temperature, and even has a built-in timer to perfect your pour-over or tea routine. The sleek matte finish and ergonomic handle make every pour smooth and steady. It's not just a kettle, it's your new brewing ritual. Here's a clever little helper that keeps your kitchen neat without taking up space. This foldable hanging trash can hook right onto a cabinet door, making it easy to toss scraps while you cook. When you're done, just fold it flat to tuck away. It's durable, easy to clean, and even works great in cars or bathrooms. Simple, smart, and space-saving.